Hello everyone, this is Dave with React Snips, and today we are going to have a look at events in React, specifically how we are listening for events and triggering events. And in this case, we will add a button to our blog posts that will simulate us wanting to delete these various blog posts. So how do we listen for events in React, and how do we actually build them, right? So going back here, we will add a button, a simple HTML tag button, and we will say delete. Now we will see our button appearing here. I already went forward and built a class for our button, so it will be styles.delete button, and we are taking the class. Now in React, as opposed to JavaScript, when we want to trigger an event, we have to pass in a property called onClick, and we have to pass in an action. So in here, we can either pass directly an anonymous function, an arrow function, or we can pass a built-in function, so a function that we are going to write, and we will call this one delete post. Now, as you can see, it signals here this delete post does not exist, it's not defined. So let's go on and define the function. So delete post, and here we will do an alert, and we will say, are you sure you want to delete the, and here we will pass in props.title. We are having props in here, and we are having the title. So in our app.js, when we are building the components, we're passing in props. So in our case, the title would be React components, or whatever title we will choose to delete. And here we'll say post. Okay, and let's give that a try. So we will update and let's see. Okay, so are you sure you want to delete the React components? So we see the title is being passed, then we will see React props. Okay, events in React. So this is how we listen for events in React. In our case, we just built a simple button that listens for a onClick event and triggers this function. Now it's important not to pass the function like this in here, because once the page is rendered and this line of code is being read, then this will be actually triggered, and we do not want that necessarily. We want to be upon the click, so we want to trigger this function when this delete button is actually clicked, and we do not want it upon page load. So this is it. Thank you guys, and have a great day.